Are you ready to take charge of your health and unlock a world of vitality? Imagine having more energy, better skin, and a sharper mind, all by making some simple changes to your diet. Well, you're in the right place. Welcome back, where today we're diving deep into the world of nutrition. We all know that a healthy diet is the cornerstone of a vibrant life. What we put into our bodies directly impacts how we feel, both physically and mentally. It's not just about fitting into your favorite pair of jeans. It's about having the energy to seize the day and the resilience to tackle life's challenges head-on. In this video, we're going to be your culinary guides on a journey to discover the top 5 superfoods that can make a significant difference in your overall health and wellness. These are the superheroes of the food world, packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and numerous health benefits. So whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast looking to supercharge your diet, or someone just starting to explore the world of nutritious eating, stick with us as we unveil these fantastic superfoods that will take your well-being to new heights. Get ready to elevate your health game, because we're about to embark on a delicious and nutritious adventure together. At the first superfood is blueberry. Blueberries, often called nature's candy, are a true powerhouse of nutrition. They are loaded with antioxidants, which are essential for neutralizing harmful free radicals in your body. This antioxidant-rich nature makes blueberries a top-notch defender against oxidative stress and inflammation. Moreover, the deep blue hue of these berries comes from anthocyanin, a group of compounds known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. Not only that, but blueberries have also been linked to improved brain health and cognitive function, helping to keep your mind sharp as a task. The great thing about blueberries is their versatility. You can enjoy them in various forms. Whether you opt for fresh or frozen blueberries, they retain their nutritional value. One way to introduce them into your daily routine is by adding them to your morning smoothie, providing a sweet and tangy burst of flavor. They also make fantastic toppings for oatmeal or yogurt, adding a refreshing twist to your breakfast routine. Here's a quick and delightful snack idea. Try making a blueberry and Greek yogurt parfait. Layer some Greek yogurt with fresh blueberries, drizzle of honey, and add a sprinkle of granola for a satisfying and nutritious treat. At the number 2, superfood kale. Kale is often hailed as the king of leafy greens, and for good reason. It's a nutritional powerhouse, boasting vitamins A, C, and K. This leafy green is also incredibly high in fiber and impressively low in calories, making it a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. Moreover, kale contains compounds that promote heart health, such as potassium and fiber, which help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol level. Incorporating kale into your diet can be a breeze. Start with simple kale salads. Just chop the leaves, massage them with a bit of olive oil and lemon juice, and toss in your favorite veggies and top. Kale chips are another tasty option. Simply tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces. Season with your preferred herbs and spices, then bake until they're crispy and delightful. Here's a quick kale salad recipe. Superfood kale salad ingredients: fresh kale leaves, stems removed and chopped, cherry tomatoes, halve, red onion, thinly sliced, avocado, diced, feta cheese, crumbled, a simple vinaigrette dressing, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, salt, and pepper. Toss everything together, and you've got yourself a nutritious and satisfying salad. At the number 3 superfood, salmon. Salmon is a superstar when it comes to healthy eating. It's incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are known to support heart and brain health. Additionally, salmon is a high-quality protein, providing your body with the building blocks it needs for muscle repair and growth. Salmon can be prepared in various ways, making it a versatile addition to your menu. You can grill it for a smoky flavor, bake it with herbs and lemon for a fresh taste, or pan-sear it for a crispy skin and tender flesh. Salmon also shines in tacos or bowls, where it pairs wonderfully with various toppings and sauces. Here's a mouth-watering salmon recipe to try. Lemon herb baked salmon ingredients. Salmon fillet. Fresh lemon slices. Fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or thyme, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, season with salt, pepper, and your chosen herb. Add lemon slices on top, then bake in the oven until the salmon flakes easily with a fork. It's a simple yet elegant dish that's sure to impress. At the number 4 superfood is quinoa. Quinoa is a true gem among grain. Not only is it a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids, but it's also high in fiber, packed packed with essential nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and iron. Additionally, quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it a fantastic option for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Quinoa's versatility makes it a staple in any health-conscious kitchen. You can use it as a base for hearty quinoa bowls or toss it into refreshing quinoa salad. Here's a delightful quinoa bowl recipe to get you started. Mediterranean quinoa bowl ingredients: cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, halve, cucumber, diced, Kalamata olive, pitted and sliced, red onion, finely chopped, feta cheese, crumbles, fresh basil leaf, lemon vinaigrette dressing, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt, and pepper. Simply assemble these ingredients in a bowl, drizzle with the lemon vinaigrette, and you have got a vibrant and nutrient-packed meal ready to go. At the number 5 superfood is avocado. Avocado is the crown jewel of healthy fats. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Avocado is also a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, folate, vitamin K, and vitamin E. Plus, its creamy texture and unique flavor make it a beloved addition to countless dishes. Avocado is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into your diet in a multitude of ways. Two popular options are making avocado toast or whipping up a batch of guacamole. Here's a mouth-watering avocado toast recipe for you. Avocado and poached egg toast ingredients: sliced whole grain bread, toasted, ripe avocado, poached egg, cherry tomatoes, sliced red pepper flake, salt, and pepper. Smash the ripe avocado onto your toasted bread, creating a creamy base. Top it with a poached egg and sliced cherry tomato. Finish with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for some extra kick, and season with salt and pepper to taste. It's a delicious and nutritious breakfast or snack option that's sure to satisfy your taste bud. Incorporating these top 5 superfoods, whether it's blueberries, kale, salmon, quinoa, or avocado, into your daily diet can make a significant difference in your overall health and wellness. So, why wait? Start exploring these delicious and nutritious ingredients to supercharge your well-being today. To wrap it all up, we've just taken you on a whirlwind tour of 5 incredible superfoods that can transform your health and wellness journey: blueberries, kale, salmon, quinoa, and avocado. These nutrient-packed powerhouses are the secret weapons in your quest for optimal well-being. But remember, knowledge alone is not enough. It's time to take action and incorporate these superfoods into your daily diet. Whether you're looking to boost your brain power with blueberries, revitalize your body with kale, support heart and brain health with salmon, fuel your body with quinoa, or nourish your skin and hair with avocado, these superfoods have got you covered. Now, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite superfood or recipe? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful.